Outlook setup on Android not working. Alright guys, here's how you can simply fix your Outlook application not working on Android. Your first step is to make sure, depending on your device, make sure your internet connection is strong and is actually working. So check your Wi-Fi and also check out your mobile data and make sure you actually have some mobile data. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, you could also head into the settings menu of your device. So head into settings. Once you've opened up settings, scroll till you can find the apps section of your device. Click on apps and a list of applications are going to be shown. You can now use the search to simply search for Outlook. Now, once you search for Outlook, go ahead and click on Outlook. And now you could easily scroll and select the storage, and then where we have cache, go ahead and click on clear cache or click on clear data and wipe out your entire data and reuse or re-log into the Outlook app. Now if that doesn't work, also try updating it. So open up the Google Play Store, use the search to simply search for Outlook. Go ahead and search for Outlook and make sure you're on the latest version of Outlook, and you can install this version and simply sign in.